Hey guys, I'm just going to go over the checklist for this week, and so let's get started with that. All right, so for this week, we are going to do 20 minutes of Khan Academy, which you're just going to log on to Khan Academy. You are going to use that username and password that I gave you. If you forgot it, feel free to email me. And then you will just set a timer for 20 minutes. When you're done, you just exit out, and I should be able to see how long you did it and also what all you completed. Then you're going to go on to do the 3.4 video notes, and you're going to follow along in your packet. If you do not have a packet, I did post the PDF version of the notes, and you'll just have to split screen and write on that. After completing that, you're going to do the 3.4 homework, and then you will do the Chapter 3 study guide and the Chapter 3 practice test. So the study guide, if you were in class, for those of you who were in class, then I handed out a paper study guide. For those of you who were virtual or who were not in class when I handed out the study guide, I have posted the PDF for that study guide as well, and you will just complete it on your computer. Then you will submit that completed study guide to Schoology, and then you'll head over to Big Ideas to complete that practice test. They are very, very similar. Your test is actually going to be next week, which is December 9th through the 15th. So when we're looking through that folder, here's our Khan Academy. Like I said, you don't need to submit anything. I can see everything from my end. Then you have the 3.4 notes. So if you don't have the packet or if you don't have it on paper, here they are. You can just complete them on your computer or print them out. Then you will complete the video notes. You will show your work for your homework and post those here. Here is where you're going to post the study guide. If you did it on your computer, like I said, just, well, you can screenshot it or you can upload it to there. It should work either way. If not, just email me, let me know. And then, like I said, if you didn't have that study guide, then here is the study guide for you guys. So you can fill it out on your computer, and then you'll complete that practice test on Big Ideas. So just remember, I have a Zoom available for you guys on Wednesdays from 9 to 9:45. And then if you don't make that one, that's okay. That one's like our typical Wednesday Zooms. But I would like to see you guys on your purple or silver day, whatever day that I have you. So come join me on Zoom at 11. That time is wrong. I'm sorry. It's at 11 to 11:30. So I'm going to let you get started on that. If you have any questions, email me or you can ask me on Zoom. All right, get started.